check engine light. The EPC light also went on, and again the Jetta, we're having some issue with our EPC. The car is basically in limp mode at this point, and if I accelerate and pass 60 kilometers per hour, it just basically vibrates and it loses power.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Well, in today's episode we are going to work on our VW Jetta, Mark 6 Jetta. Guys, just recently I was driving the car and all of a sudden I got this EPC light going when I'm trying to accelerate, and the engine light went on, the EPC light went on. On acceleration, when I hit 60 kilometer mark, it starts to shatter. The engine just losing power basically, guys, and it just basically won't go, and I'm pretty much driving like a grandpa in the process. Well, no offense to those grandpa out there, guys, but all I meant really is that I was just driving so slow because I can't go past the speed limit that I wanted to do with much acceleration. So other than that, if you are careful with the car and slowly adjust the speed accordingly, it just works fine. But all of a sudden, if you have to actually step on the gas and go, it just basically buggles and dies. Well, the engine won't die, but basically the power basically dies in the process, guys. So anyways, that's kind of the unfortunate thing. We'll definitely give it a look and we'll go from there. Trying to scan the car, and unfortunately this guy here no longer work with the app that I have on my Samsung Android OS there. And I did some reading up, and it looks like to be able to run this old OBD11, I need something more upgraded in terms of version on the Android OS. So the OS is 6, so anything below 6 is not supported anymore by this app or by this dangle. So I gotta get a new one, or might as well upgrade my OBD11 and get the newest one they have. So anyways, I'm gonna see if a buddy of mine, Miguel, will be able to scan the car for me, because I need to actually check to see what the issue is at this point. So I'll get back to you in a bit. Well, folks, I got an update for you. Off camera, we were able to scan the car, borrowing my friend's scanner there, OBD11 scanner, and that we got a misfire on cylinder 1. So basically here, guys, it's a P0301 cylinder 1 misfire, and I think I know the problem is, guys, maybe one of the coils or the coil on cylinder 1 is damaged. So possibly when we did change the spark plug, maybe I tore the boot itself, and that possibly causing the issue there, guys. So anyways, that's the issue, and we're gonna try and replace it with a brand new one and see how that goes. So stay tuned. Folks, we got the new coil packs on the cylinder 1, so hopefully this will do it. I didn't replace the rest of them because I didn't have an issue with the cylinder on the rest of them. So let me see, I'll give it a try here, start the car up. The moment of truth, we might have to clear
the engine fault here, but let's give it a start anyways. Yeah, it sounds a little better. It doesn't sound like it's spattering as it was earlier. Of course, probably we need to reset the light there, the engine light there, clear the code, and see how it goes from there. But as it sounds, the car sounds pretty good, as you guys can hear. Earlier on, the timing, I could definitely hear the timing is slightly off. So it's sounding a lot better here, guys. I'm gonna go for a test drive and see how it goes, guys. Just the first glance here, basically, it feels a lot better. The car now is in full power. Earlier on, I could feel really weak, especially when you hit around the 60-kilometer mark. Now, before, when I try to floor it, it won't even go. Now, yeah, powerful now for sure. So that pretty much fixed it, guys. As usual, you know, EPC light, limp mode on a lot of the BWs can cause many things, including many sensors, to fuel issues, to battery issues, to electrical issues. So it's really hard to troubleshoot. But in this case, guys, it was a bad coil on basically on our first cylinder, and yeah, got that going. So I'm so glad. We still have the light there, the engine light, but yeah, the car is just driving so normally now, so definitely we can close it here.
Well, back on the shop now, guys, and finally another win for the garage here. As usual, I hope you're enjoying your long weekend and keeping it safe, guys. As always, thank you so much for your support and your subscription. And at the same time, guys, don't forget to ring that bell so you guys can get notified for all the videos. And at the same time, just an update on everything going on here. The Golf R is now finally, as of the end of last week, the 4 years anniversary of the car, and finally have purchased the car right out. Now I could basically say that the Golf R is mine 100%. And I could pretty much do anything I want with it. The warranty is off now, so I should be able to do quite a bit of things. I still not fully decided if I'm gonna buy the full warranty on this guy, because I actually wanted to start doing some more mods in it, and some performance mods and tuning in the process. So anyways, guys, again, as always, peace out.